Hey everyone, Bryce Parks here. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how to actually do the hand drafting assignments for those of you who are remote and do not have access to AutoCAD platform. You all will be following these videos, you all will be doing these drawings here, and this drawing, it's going to give you the three-dimensional or isometric view, and you're going to be showing the top, front, and right side views. So notice on here, it gives you two of the three views, and then the third one, it tells you to complete the view. You will not be drawing the 3D isometric view for these assignments. For those of you who are remote learners that are doing the hand drafting drawing assignments, you're going to be simply showing the top, the front, and the right side views. So these three views you're going to be showing, and then you're going to be given some basic dimensions as well, simply replicating these dimensions that they put on your sheet. Whenever you start out, you're going to want to do one piece of paper per drawing. And so you're going to start out with a blank sheet of paper. You're going to get you some masking tape, like a roll of masking tape here, and you're going to simply tear this off and put it on the corners. So notice here, as we get started, you're going to tear that off. You're going to simply tack down these corners like this. So you should have been given a drawing something like this. I think I put yours in fractional units since you're going to be using yours on the ruler. This one here is for the CAD system, so it's in decimal units. You will be using this handout for your border. So the border on each one of these drawings is just going to simply be the outside box, and it's going to be this box right down here that simply has the drawing name and your name, date. Okay. The scale would be full scale, and the class would be which class you're in. So drafting or 4B or 5th hour or whatever particular class that you want to put there. So again, all that you need from this sheet is the outside border itself. You need this title block right here with your name and information. You do not need these green dimensions on here. You do not need the line weight if that note is on there. You do not need to add extra notes unless the notes are also on the drawing assignments. So that is going to get you started for turning your white sheet into your drawing canvas. So let me scroll over here. I got the first one just quickly laid out just so you can see how it's going to be. So you're going to simply start this out, the outside borders. You would come in here, so notice a couple little dots here. Oh, let's say down here, probably needed to clean those up a little bit. What you're doing there is you're taking the ruler, and if this drawing is, let's say for example, the border is 10 inches long, and so I measure across here, this piece of paper is 11 inches total, so it'd be a ½ an inch on each side, and I could come in there and measure that at exactly a ½ an inch, and that's measured up to be a ½ an inch away. So really you're just coming in on this paper a ½ an inch in on each of the sides and drawing your new border. Again, your title block, this is just the outline of it. You would go back and add a couple extra lines and put in there your name and drawing name and so forth. So this is how you would set up the title block.